Barbecuing is not just about grilling meat, it can be about exciting vegetable dishes. This is a dish I love. It's a sweet potato baked dish, and what we're gonna do is bake up a bunch of sweet potatoes on our barbecue using it as an oven, and then we're gonna dress it with a whole bunch of super fancy stuff. Now, one thing I wanna show you about sweet potatoes is I don't want you to peel them. What I want you to do is knock the ends off with your knife and then underwater scrub them. You want a little bit of that skin to stay on because there's a lot of flavor in that skin. What we're gonna do then is just take them in a little bit of foil, wrap them up, and we're gonna throw them all on the top shelf of your barbecue up here. Now those guys are gonna take about 35 to 45 minutes, and that's a long time, but the great thing about cooking with natural gas is that I'm never gonna run out because I'm not on a tank. Okay, my sweet potatoes are baked, soft and tender, and very, very sweet. So I'm gonna open up that foil, run a knife down the center, tear them open a little bit. I'm gonna use Greek yogurt and squeeze in some hot sauce, give that a little fold, a couple of dollops of that. I've got some green onions, a little bit of fresh chili, and some cilantro. The great thing about cooking with natural gas is that there was no tank that ran out of gas. I didn't have to throw it in the car, go to the store, hope the store is open, bring the tank back, plug the tank in, done, cooked. You never run out of gas with natural gas. There they are, guys, gorgeous roasted sweet potatoes garnished with yogurt, hot sauce, and anything you like.